stop that.
Okay, so today here are 3 ways to get rid of hiccups. One way is to drink and swallow it upside down. Another way is to Henry. Another way is to hold the breath.
Okay.
And the last way is to be scared. I'm not sure if there's anybody scared.